Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Now, welcome to a midweek analysis. This is a midweek analysis. It's not really a normal or usual analysis, but it's still top down analysis. It's still a top down analysis. Now, it's just going to be short and sweet. I'm looking at Euro GBP right now, and I don't think it will be to be great if I just make the analysis and I do not share it. Or rather, I take a trade and I profit from it and I do not share it. So excuse the dog. Excuse the dog. But so like this. So on this trade right now on UGBP, as we can see, we are at a very intricate and important area of interest. You see what I'm saying to you? Follow with the bullish engulfing, a possible break of trend line, of counter trend line like so, but we haven't finished above. A possible break of counter trend like so, but we haven't finished above. So the month is still going. But what we need to understand is this: we need a direction. That is what we are here to do. Top down analysis. We need a direction, right? So from what we can see, we bounce from here, we're back here. Bullish engulfing states that okay, there's pressure. But moving forward on the weekly time frame, it's clearly bullish. With a reversal pattern, break of counter trend line, everything looks good. You get me? Everything what looks good. We've broken structure around here, higher high. We were low again, and then now higher high. That's what I'm saying to you. So we basically had a double bottom, a chart pattern, and a break of counter trend line. Now we're bullish. Now, if you're looking forward, looking forward on the daily time frame, we expect the market to be bullish. Excuse me, we expect the market to be what bullish. That is the only way we will be interested in making a decision for buys. So if you go on the daily time frame, you see that we are at a demand level. Yes, we've crossed a little bit and it looks bearish, but we are at a demand level. We are what at a demand level. So basically, we're bullish, and this level was marked a long time ago. As you can see from here, I marked my levels way before the market comes into fruition. So right now at 0.850, 0.8500, sorry, 0.85500, we're expecting the market to bounce on here. Now we need more than just mere theory. We need more confluence, right? So I go to the Fibonacci, swing low to swing high. We are at a very important area, 61.0. You know the rules. You know how the Fibonacci works. Now, like I said before, if you go a couple of seconds ago, I said I mark my levels before the market comes into fruition, before there's any movement. Now, this is more of a coincidence, right? This wasn't planned. We can see that the next level is so important that it wasn't even planned. It's more of a coincidence, and I expected it to be so. So moving forward, if you can see the Fibonacci is right in confluence. So I go to the lower time frame now on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. That is what we execute. Now there is something I need you to understand. Chart patterns. We work with chart patterns, double bottoms and double tops, head and shoulders. It is very important. You see what I'm saying to you? It is what very important. Now on your prop firm or whatever you're trading with, risk is one of the most. In fact, risk is the most important thing. You need to have risk. If you do not have risk management, then you have nothing. You see what I'm saying? If you do not have risk management in trading, you have nothing. So you need to formulate a proper risk management plan. On the prop firm that I'm trading with, I cannot risk more than 1%, and that's beautiful. But there is something called adding to your winners, reducing your losses, adding to your winners. How do you add to your winners? It's not just by opening mere trade or rather bear trades, thinking, oh, it's gonna go my direction. No, it is having proper risk, but still adding to your positions. Now, I have to risk 1%, right? Now, my max is 1%. What am I expecting to do? I have ways of entering, and I'm going to show you. I wasn't planning on trading GBP, but looking back, and I'm like, it looks good. I'm seeing chart pattern forming already. It looks good. So what I need right now is this: immediately the market breaks this counter trend line, closes above, and creates a new structure above, right? Giving us a higher high, breaking structure, giving us a higher high with a formulated head and shoulder possible. Yeah, I would execute with 0.5. I will execute with 0.5. Now I have 0.5 left. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, normally, if with the way that I trade, normally the market might, let me show you what I'm saying. I'm expecting this to happen, right? I'm expecting this to happen. Then but this is forming. So I'm expecting a shoulder break, right? I'm expecting what a neckline break, right? That then it comes back into the shoulder. This is something that this is a high level thing. It stops. You see what I'm saying? So whenever the market breaks a neckline, it comes back into the left shoulder to formulate that right shoulder. Now we can see it's already forming that right shoulder even before breaking. Right now, this is what happens when immediately it breaks. I would execute with open five. First entry, stop loss right below the neck, the head. Right now, secondly, I would set a limit. This is I don't advise you to follow what I do, but I'm just explaining to you how I manage my risk, how I'm able to add to my winners, but still reducing my risk to the bare minimum. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I would set a sell limit and my stop loss will be right here. It will activate and it will go my way. It works for me. You have to find what works for you. Then my next entry would be here. Now this entry would not be open five, it will be open 2.5. I'll cut the other half a percent into two. Then the next entry will be at the break and the retest of the counter trend line on the 4 hour time frame. Then I can go to the 1 hour or the 30 minutes to look for chart patterns to show that it's about to move and counter trend line break. You see what I'm saying to you? Counter what trend line break. When I'm about to execute the market, I will show you my thought process. This is my thought process rather. I will show you my execution style. When the market breaks, I'll show you when the market when the market is about to come for my second entry, third entry. I will show everything. I'll be transparent on here. So my last entry will be here. But if the market doesn't activate my limits around here, no problem. If it breaks and retest, no problem. I will just have two entries, both of them adding to my winners and then pushing to the upside. This is my first take profit is gonna be here. This is going to be my first take profit, and this is going to be the overall TP. Now, when I get here, when I get to this place, this 100%, I take majority. I don't take half. I don't take. I take majority. I close majority, and I let the rest run all the way to the top. That's what I do. Now, immediately I take majority. I have a little bit of loose change lying around for me to be able to add to my winners. You see what I'm saying to you? From other pairs or likely from the same pair, whichever suits me best. You see what I'm saying to you? So the reason why I'm making this Euro GBP video is this. I like for you to follow your trading plan, and I want to also follow my trading plan. You see what I'm saying to you? I want to also follow my trading plan. So if I make money off of a pair and I don't share it on here and I'm not transparent and then I come a week later and say card JPY USD JPY USD card, no, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm letting you know so that you might be able to see reason or in making the money in making the profits, rather not money, sorry, the profits for yourself. You see what I'm saying to you? The profits were what for yourself. So I'm trying to be transparent. I'm trying to show you lot how it's done. So I will make shots on this pair, my execution and my exit. So I hope follow your training plan. It's very important. I'm here formulating a new training plan because I did not form a training plan during the weekend. So I'm formulating this training plan right now. So that when the market start going my direction, or even if it doesn't, no problem. There are other pairs to do from in it. But when it starts going my direction, I know that I have a plan in place. I know I have a target in place. I know what to do when it doesn't go my way. You see what I'm saying to you? Now with just UGBP I'm looking at for the week. The week is almost done. It's Wednesday, it's almost done. But we basically, break structure or something before Friday, hopefully. So, I urge you lot to like, subscribe, leave a comment, do whatever, share the video, whatever. But have fun, have a great week, ciao ciao.